Have you ever wanted to invest in the stock market, but felt overwhelmed by the idea of picking the right stock? That's where an ETF comes in. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Let's break that down. Exchange Traded just means it's bought and sold on the stock market, just like a regular stock. Fund means it's a basket or a collection of investments grouped together. So an ETF is basically a basket of investments you can buy or sell on the stock market. Here's an example. Imagine you want to invest in technology companies, but you don't want to risk putting all your money into just one company like Apple or Microsoft. With the technology ETF, you can buy a single share of the fund and instantly own tiny pieces of many tech companies. It's like ordering a combo meal instead of picking one item of the menu. You get a little bit of everything. ETFs can hold many different types of assets. Some hold stocks, others hold bonds. Some even track commodities, like gold. The most common ones track indexes, like the S&P 500. That means when you buy one share of that ETF, you're basically buying small parts of all 500 companies in the S&P index. One of the biggest benefits of ETFs is diversification. By owning one ETF, your money is spread across dozens or even hundreds of investments. This helps lower risk, because if one stock in the basket goes down, others might go up. ETFs are also known for being cost-effective. They usually have low fees compared to mutual funds, which are another type of investment fund. Plus, since they trade like stocks, you can buy and sell them throughout the day at market prices. To sum it up, an ETF is a fund you can buy like a stock. It gives you instant diversification, and it's a flexible, affordable, and a simple way to invest. So, if you've ever wanted a smarter, easier way to invest without picking individual winners, ETFs might be the perfect tool to add to your wealth circuit. If you've gotten any type of value from this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you. Bye.